Can any lifestyle factors put you at a risk for preterm births? Yes. Preterm birth or premature birth of a baby means delivery of a baby before 37 completed weeks. And if the baby is born premature, obviously its body, especially the lungs, are not yet ready to come into the outside world. Although this happens in 10% of all deliveries, we definitely do not want any baby to deliver before 37 weeks. While there are many reasons for why a premature delivery occurs, the few behavioral or lifestyle factors which can influence your risk for a premature birth are modifiable. So, these are a few lifestyle factors. The first is cigarette smoking. Cigarette smoking either before you conceive or after you have conceived is a definite risk factor for premature delivery. No number of cigarettes is safe to have when you're planning a pregnancy or when you're pregnant. And it's a dose dependent risk factor. The more you smoke, the more your risk of preterm birth. Along with it, recreational drug use or alcohol intake is also one of the risk factors for premature birth. So stay away from any recreational drugs, cocaine, or alcohol, or even cigarettes. Nutritional factors like undernutrition, if you are not taking sufficient food in your zeal to have a fat diet or look slim, you may be putting yourself at a risk of premature birth. At the same time, women who are overnourished or obese are also at a risk for premature delivery. While we know that exercise is good in pregnancy and it reduces the risk of preterm birth by 10 to 15% when it's a moderate kind of exercise, we definitely do not advise bed rest for anybody. While we know that physical activity in moderation is good in pregnancy and exercise reduces your risk of preterm birth by 10 to 15%, we must caution those women who have jobs which involve long duration of standing or more than 3 to 4 hours of walking. These factors put you at risk for a premature birth. And also carrying heavy weights in the third trimester or those women who have rotating shifts or night shifts have a higher risk of premature delivery. So remember all these factors and try to modify as much as you can, and definitely avoid any situations where you have some psychological or social stress, because stress is also one of the factors causing premature birth.